Why link click ads no dey work for me? Why? Hafa, my people, you're welcome to bloginpidgin.com with Fidelis. Why link click ads no dey work? Let's go. Yes, link click ads. Understand say on Facebook, website clicks ad dey. Okay, you fit maximize them for link clicks or landing page views. Those are the two ways you can maximize website click ads on Facebook, right? Now, link clicks, this is wetin Facebook dey record. Link click, they count click to any part of the ad. Whether person click, open the image, Facebook go count as one click. Whether person click to play the video, Facebook go count as one click. Whether person click out, Facebook go count as one click. Whether person click on the fan page, Facebook go count as one click. Whether person click to open the comment, Facebook go count as one click. Then they count everywhere as click. So that make most of una go see link click ads. Facebook they charge 0.3 naira. You go say, man, this thing is too cheap. You dey get thousands of clicks, but your website nothing to show for it. You know they make any shishi. You know they make any money. It dey reduce your CPM or CTR, depending on the ads where they run, whether na AdSense or na AdSense. Now, the best alternative, which might not be the best of best, but better than link click ads, is you maximize a website click ads for landing page views. Landing page views, Facebook will only record the person will click the ad and your page fully loaded. You get the whole catch, right? Link clicks, any click, whether the person click your website, he load or he no load, Facebook don't already record down. While landing page views, Facebook will record say, yes, this person really load your website, your landing page. That is the link where you run as your destination ad. You load down the page load full, right? So you on your own, you go come look which objective, wetin I dey run this ad for. Now to just say people see my ad, they click anywhere, I be now say people come my website, go come do your plus and minus, know which one go work well for you. So my people, now when you know link click ads versus landing page views, it clear, I be no clear. If it clear, it good. If it no clear, until then, I don't mean.